So it didn't really hurt the crashing.
25%. 50%. Speed limit disengaged.
Whoa, that wasn't fast enough. That's what I was afraid of.
I took Troy's method of just setting your timer for like when you have to come back.
Speed brake 25%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 0.
With the old school voltage beeper though.
Uh-huh, okay.
That's my insurance.
There you go.
For weapons on. Honestly, they're like hard to see that they're even on there, but they are. Alright.
Okay.
I don't know, one at a time. Alright. Well, we got.
So, oh wow, that's super cool. I don't think so. That is too cool. Damn it, taking off. That was back in there.
50%. Gear up. Limit disengaged. Time remaining 2 minutes. %.
How long have you folks got left up there?
About a minute or two. There you go.
Alright, I just got a 1 minute.
25%. 50%. Speed brakes activated. 25%. 30 seconds. 0.
That speed brake makes it drop.
0.
Whoa. A little harder than. Yeah.
0.
Get out of the ground. Okay.
29. 0.
Definitely, yeah.
Speed limit disengaged.
Yeah.
Altitude.
No, you can. You have to leave a little earlier though. Perdido Beach or Pensacola, or the one down there by you go past where you're gonna go to Pensacola Beach. What's that? National
50%.
Yeah. No, it's
50%.
that was good. Let them go. Or that one girl, I think again. Yeah, she got arrested. There was that one that
Minus 2 minutes, land immediately. Respect the
because of
timer.
the parking spot. Yeah.
Altitude.
Yeah, they arrested two of them because when there was that.
50%. Zero. Reverse roll. Disconnected 0. 5%. That
Flying the F-16? Way different paradigm. Maneuvers. Oh, okay. I thought you hit somebody. Huh.
25%. 50%.
You go get your plane, he'll stay center and right. He's now on the move.
Gear up. 25%. 50%. 25%. 50%. 150%. Landing flaps. 25%. Zero throttle. 20-30 zero throttle. Brake reverse roll. Gear up.
All right, I'm gonna make.
50%. Gear up.
Moving into intercept.
50%. Zero throttle.
Coming down the runway.
50%.
Into the vertical. You're landing left or right, right?
Yep, left of left to right.
0 throttle. 25%. 30 seconds. 0 throttle.
Oh, that could have been more perfect. Whoa! Oh!
Is that why he had to? Nice.